Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another video in the beginner series. Today's video is going to be pop of color. This is where you can take a neutral eye, a toned down eye, and add a beautiful pop of color at your lower lash line, or wear some kind of really colorful liquid eyeliner. We're going to start by using the LaColors eyeshadow primer, applying that all over our lids as our base. As a secondary base, we're going to be using the Santee Pop Pastel eyeshadow pencil in number 7. Just a nude secondary base, something to give the eyeshadows a little something else to stick to. This is the LaColors Frisky eyeshadow palette. We're going to be picking up this beautiful golden shade here. So pretty. Now, I'm using a flat stiff shader brush to minimize my fallout and maximize my color payoff, because we're going to be doing a combination of patting and kind of dragging the shade on the lid like I always do. But it really helps with these metallic shadows to really bring down that chunkiness and blend that out. We're going to be taking that really fluffy blending brush. We're going to be picking up that creamy peach shade that is matte. We're going to apply that in our crease. This is seriously one of my favorite shades in the palette. It's a transition color. We're just going to really buff that into our crease area. Windshield wiper motions, a little bit of like stamping the color in there, and then buffing the heck out of that shade towards the outer corner. Now this brush here is like an eyeshadow brush, and we're going to use this beautiful red burnt orange shade to apply that in our crease area, where you would line your crease, where you would be drawing your cut crease line, if that makes sense. So this is the shade that's sandwiched between the transition and the lid color. And I wanted to show a close-up of this brush. It's like tapered at like a triangle. Like, it's kind of fluffy. It's an eyeshadow shader brush. It's tapered down to like a triangle at the tip. I don't know how to perfectly explain it, but I'm going to put the brush number in the description box below. That brush is perfect for those of you who have problems with crease placement, because it will literally just get in between the lid and your orbital bone and do the work for you. Now, I picked up that creamy golden shade as my highlight. I did talk through that a little bit, but that's what I use. I'm just picking up the whatever's left on that blending brush and blending those together. And now we're just going to go through and reapply some colors. And yes, if you have trouble with that crease work, definitely pick up one of those brushes. It will be in the description box. I'm doing a very thin line of liquid eyeliner on the top. It's Physicians Formula 2-in-1 EyeBooster eyeliner pen. And we're using our Milani to tightline the upper and the lower lash lines. And I'm using this LaColors Iced Pigment Powder and Twinkle to do the pop of color. It's gorgeous. It's amazing. It's so metallic and colorful. It's, oh man, it's so pretty. These are awesome. Very nice quality. And I decided that we're going to do a lower lash line pop of color. The eyes are a bit orange and goldeny, and not so much neutral, but the pop of color still works. It's so beautiful. This is the Katy Cat eyeliner pencil in WhisPURR, and I'm just highlighting the inner corner, nothing special. This is AOA Studio's Hyper Lash, and I did super speed through this stuff because we all apply our eyeliners and our mascaras in our own ways. So, you know, this is a good mascara to give you some volume and length, and it is a fiber mascara, but totally worth the $2 I paid for it. One of the best mascaras I've found off of that website, actually. shopmissay.com if you're wondering. And there's the finished look. It's so pretty. And of course, I'm using the Maybelline lipstick in Nude Lust 920 yet again. Can't help myself, love this lipstick. And I'm obsessed. But yes, that's the final look. I hope this video was helpful to you. Hopefully you will be able to try the look, recreate it for yourself. Hopefully you will. Let me know in the comments section below. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already.